Larry here from Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Yes, I'm the one and only, the original pen bug guy. And this is a special bulletin update on Jim Hinze. So, I've been speaking with Jim, see how he's doing. And Jim is doing better, but he's taking his time for him to heal properly. He cannot overdo it. And he tries to get in the shop for about an hour. And I keep telling him, don't overdo it. But he told me he is not. Because Jim is one of our few of our hands-on, one-on-one pen maker here in Texas. And he's outside of Richardson. Isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
So, Jim's working on a pen for me, and I told him it's no rush. If it takes 3, 4, 5 months, whenever you're ready, that's cool. And for anybody that has turned in orders, please be patient. You know, Jim needs our support and understanding. You know, yes, he's going to get your pens out right now, but right now he's going through a healing process, and he doesn't need to be stressed out and get in that workshop and then, you know, keep working and making pens, and then he's going to have a relapse. We don't want that. So bear with him. He's doing a bit better. He's healing. It's going to take a little time, but he's getting there little by little. And then before you know it, he'll be full-time back in that shop again, and you'll be getting your beautiful custom-made fountain pens, the kind that only Jim Hinze can do. And so, people say, why are they so special? Well, Jim turns each pen one pen at a time. One. That makes it, in my book, very special. Okay? And knowing Jim, he wants to make sure every detail on the pen you order is going to be correct. He wants to make sure that the pen you order is to your satisfaction. Jim is very, very meticulous and picky about his work. Why is that? His work represents him. Okay? So, I thought I'd let you know. I thought this was important news. I wanted to share it with everybody. And while you're at it, send him an email or a text. Let him know that you're thinking about him, okay? Be a nice little cheer up to let Jim know we support him. All right, friends. Take care, my friends. This is the Flash Bulletin for today. Well, I got to go, got to run. It's almost 8 o'clock, and time for bed medicine. What a drag, right? But I'll do another video and give you my health updates, because I don't want to keep nothing from my viewers, you know. And I don't want sympathy or nothing like that. I just need for you guys to know where I'm coming from, because you guys have been so supportive for me. You've been there with me from day one. And I want to help as many people as I can while I'm still here. So peace, and a lot of love, and a lot of hugs to each and every one of you. I'm Larry out of Fort Worth, Texas. And I'm still banging for the buck. Bam! We're out of here. Take care, my friends. God bless you. Bye-bye.